What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Toyota Sequoia started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message saying key not detected, check key location. So what we're going to do in order to get this started is grab your key fob. We'll come over here and just press the stop start button, and then we'll touch the key fob to it, and you'll hear a beep and the ignition kind of goes to the on position. And now we'll be able to start it as normal. And now you'll be able to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can in order for it to work like it should. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.